Welcome to our STP product function introduction video. Our STP product features 10 buttons. The two buttons at the bottom allow us to navigate between menus, while the other buttons are used to turn functions on and off. At the top is the lighting section, where we can control all defined lights in our home from a single place. We can turn the lights on using the buttons on the right side and turn them off using the buttons on the left side. In the second section, we can control our curtains and blinds. The defined curtain and blind systems in our home can be opened from the right side and closed from the left side. In the lower section, we can control the heating settings. The right button increases the desired room temperature value, while the left button decreases it, allowing you to adjust the temperature. In the next menu, we see lighting settings. Here, we can turn each light on or off individually. By grouping selected lights that we want to keep on, we can return to the main menu and control them all with a single button. This allows us to choose which lights will be active in the main lighting function menu. In the next menu, we can control the dimmable lights. We can increase the dimmer level from the right side and decrease it from the left side. Let us remind you that these adjustments can be made either by repeatedly tapping the button or by pressing and holding it. In the following menu, we see the curtain and blind settings. From here, we can open or close each curtain or blind individually. By tapping the right side buttons, we can open the blinds, and tapping the same button again pauses the opening process. Tapping once more resumes it. Similarly, with the buttons on the left side, we can stop and resume the closing process. In the next menu, we see the scenarios we've created. From here, we can start our scenarios by tapping the corresponding buttons. In this menu, we can see other controls in our home, such as irrigation, sockets, or the main power control of the house. It should also be noted that in the STP product, you decide which controls appear on which page. You can add any control to any menu, making it easier and faster to access your most frequently used functions. In this menu, we see the air conditioning controls. We can directly turn the air conditioner on or off and separately control the temperature settings, fan speed and flap level. In this menu, we see the fan coil controls. The upper controls allow us to turn the fan on or off, while the lower ones let us choose whether to heat or cool the room. With the controls just below, we can set the fan speed. Here, by setting the desired value at the bottom, we can adjust the room to reach the specified temperature. In the next menu, we see multimedia controls. In this menu, we can control connected multimedia devices. In this menu, we can manage the functions of the STP product. We can adjust the screen and button brightness, change the theme color, and switch the product language to any installed language. STP enables you to manage all your home needs from a single place and makes life easier.